Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the DJI Mini 3, a compact and ultra-lightweight drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. With its advanced features, robust build, and exceptional performance, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The DJI Mini 3 features a sleek and foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to carry. It weighs just 248 grams, which means it falls under the 250-gram regulatory limit in many regions, making it easier to fly without needing special permits. The drone is built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability during flights. Camera and imaging. The Mini 3 is equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 12-megapixel stills and 4K HDR video at 30 fps. It supports dual native ISO and chip-level HDR technology, providing vibrant and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The camera features an f1.7 aperture and 4x digital zoom, allowing for flexible shooting options. Performance. Under the hood, the Mini 3 is designed for impressive flight performance. It offers a maximum flight time of up to 38 minutes with the standard Intelligent Flight Battery and up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The drone can reach speeds of up to 16 miles per second and has a maximum ascent speed of 5 miles per second. It also features robust wind resistance, ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. Versatility and use cases. The Mini 3 excels in versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. It includes features like true vertical shooting for social media optimized shots, quick shots for automated flight patterns, and panorama modes for capturing wide-angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panorama photos. These features make it ideal for capturing dynamic shots in various scenarios, from landscapes to action sports. Connectivity and features. The DJI Mini 3 supports O2 digital video transmission, providing a stable and clear video feed up to 10 kilometers away. It also features robust Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable connections for transferring files and accessing online features. The drone is compatible with the DJI Fly app, which offers intuitive controls and a range of creative options, battery life, and charging. The Mini 3 offers impressive battery life, with up to 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge with the standard battery, and up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. This ensures minimal downtime and allows for extended flight sessions. The batteries can be quickly recharged using the included charger. User experience. Users have praised the DJI Mini 3 for its exceptional build quality, advanced imaging capabilities, and user-friendly interface. The high-resolution camera and comprehensive flight features have been highlighted as standout aspects. However, some users have noted that the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors may be a consideration for those seeking additional safety features. Price and value. The DJI Mini 3 is priced at approximately $419. While it is a significant investment, the drone offers excellent value for those seeking a high-performance aerial photography tool with advanced features and superior build quality. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 3 is a compelling choice for aerial photographers and videographers seeking a versatile, high-performance drone. Its advanced imaging capabilities, robust design, and comprehensive flight features make it a valuable tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Overall, the Mini 3 offers a balanced mix of performance and features, making it a strong contender in the drone market. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.